Michael Irwin, thanks for watching this ePros video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel so you can catch the next videos that come out. Share this video if you find the information helpful, and if you have any questions, then you can email me at irwin@eprosstore.com. irwin@eprosstore.com. Now, my intent today is to help you to make your house safer for your children. I have 2 kids. If you have kids, then you know when they see these outlets, they like to take whatever they can find, maybe a key, maybe a screw, maybe something they grabbed off the counter or a toy, and they like to shove it into these prong holes. Now, doing so, if what they're holding is metallic or wet, it can get them shocked, and we don't want that. So I have an older house. I have older style outlets in my house, and many people will buy these caps to plug in to their outlets, and when they do that, it will block off the outlet so that the child cannot plug something into these holes and shock themselves and can't play with it. Well, if you have an older style outlet, then you may need to get these caps, but they have tamper resistant outlets now, and they are marked with TR, as you see, and if you look through the prong holes, it almost looks like there's a piece of plastic in there blocking you from plugging anything in, and that's exactly what it's doing. It's a very tough barrier that I have bent the prongs on my tool cords on, trying to push through before I knew that there were tamper resistant outlets and how they worked. Now, how they work is you have to have 2 prongs, and they have to come straight ahead into the outlet and be pushed in evenly at exactly the same time in order for you to plug something in. If someone comes along and tries to, if I'm going to bend one of these ears back, and tries to take one item and push it through one of these prong holes, it will not let you come through. See, I'm pushing on this and it will not let you come through. But as soon as you have 2, like the end of an extension cord or something you're intentionally trying to plug in, and you come in and push it in, then it goes in easily and smooth. And these caps can be a pain in the butt when you're trying to actually use the outlet that you had blocked off for your kids. They could be hard to peel off the wall and unplug. These tamper resistant outlets will eliminate that. Your kid will not be able to push a knife, a screw, a key, a toy, a pencil, anything through these prong holes, and it will keep them safe, and it will also allow you to easily come and use the outlet as needed. And they're not very expensive outlets. You could have an electrician come and install these in your house and take out the old devices that you have, and it'll keep your kids safe and help you to keep all the functionality of the outlets that you have. I'm Michael Irwin. Thanks for watching this video.